girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So guys, this is a DIY video. It's quite different from the kind of video I make on my channel, but I decided to make this video to help some people out there because I know I'm not the only one who lives in an apartment. You know, most of these apartment owners don't want you hitting any nail on their wall. They don't want you leaving any dent on their wall when you're parking out, because if you do, you won't be getting your security deposit back. I know that can be so frustrating because it kind of limits what you can do in your house or how you can decorate your house. So I'm here to show you guys how to hang your curtains without hitting nails on your wall, okay? Well, I'm also going to be showing how to hang pictures. I know the one of pictures is everywhere. A lot of people know that already. So this video is going to be mostly about the curtains. It's going to be well detailed. I'm going to show everything, the step by step on how to hang your curtains without hitting any nail on your wall. So we're going to be using this command hook. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. Actually, I'm going to be leaving the link of everything I bought in the description box. We're also going to be using this command strip. It came this way. I mistakenly cut this out when I was opening the package. So you have 3M on top here, and this is the command strip that takes about 16 pounds. Yeah, this takes about 16 pounds. The hook actually came with a strip. As you guys can see, it's inside. It came with command strip, but it takes only about 5 pounds, as you guys can see here. So we're not going to be using the strip inside the hook. We're going to be using the other strip that I bought differently, because that one takes about 16 pounds, and you guys know some curtains can be quite heavy, so that is why we're going to be using that. We're also going to be needing the curtain rod and your curtains, okay? So for the curtain rod, you need to get a curtain rod that is less than 1 inch. As you guys can see, the size of this one is 3/4 in diameter. So most curtain rods have their sizes written on the pack, so you need to check that. Okay, you can also get the one that is 5/8 in diameter, but don't get the one of 1 inch because it will be too big for the hook. It won't be able to go in here in the hook, okay? So make sure you're getting a rod that is less than 1 inch. Then the other thing you're going to need is your curtain, of course. You're going to need your curtain. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how to use this command strip and the hook to hang your curtain, and also how to pull it out, because guys, before now I usually force the command strip out of the wall, and a couple of times it destroyed my wall. I'm going to show you guys the dent it left on my wall. It pulled the paint out. So I just wanted to show you guys the dent it left on my wall the first time I tried to pull it out. Can you guys see it? So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it very well. So that is it. So it's ripped off the paint here out, and the second time I did that, it left, you can still see some of the strips on the wall. But I finally found out how to pull the strip out from the wall without leaving any dents on your wall, and I'm going to be showing you guys all that in this video, okay? Before we start hanging the curtain, I want to show you guys everything up close, okay? So this is the curtain hook, and this is where your rod is supposed to hang, like the curtain rod. And this is why I asked you guys not to get 1 inch rod, because 1 inch rod won't be able to enter this place, okay? So you need a rod that is less than 1 inch. And behind this hook, there's this plastic transparent stuff here. It's detachable, and you can also put it back. And this thing is very, very important, and I'm going to show you guys what this thing is used for towards the end of the video, so please keep watching. But I'm going to detach it now so you guys can see it. So I'm going to just pull it down. Can you guys see it? And then you can also put it back. And this is very, very important, okay? So just keep watching so you can see what this is used for. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the strips, the command strips, okay? So what you want to do is just bring out 1 pair. So 1 pair is actually 2 of this. So this is 1, and then the second one. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put both of them together and press it with your hands. So please press it very well so you're sure it's sealed. So the next thing you want to do is to attach the strips to the hook, okay? And this is how you do that. You want to peel off the back, this green paper behind the strip. So you want to pull it out. Just pull only one side out, okay, this way. and then you want to go ahead and attach it to that plastic stuff here this way. And when attaching this, make sure like there is a piece of like, will I call this a paper or something here, make sure it's facing down, because this thing is going to be very useful when you want to take off these strips from your wall. So make sure it's facing down, don't let it face up, okay? Just make sure it's facing down. Now you want to press it on this very well, so you are sure it sticks to this hook very well. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I put this on the wall, okay? So guys, I'm going to be attaching this here, but as you guys can see, there is a hole here already. This is from the previous curtain I hung on my wall. I had to hit a nail here because I didn't know about this. So this is what I'm trying to avoid for you guys, okay? I don't want you guys making the same mistake, especially if you are living in an apartment and you know you need your security deposit back. So please use this method, okay? So I don't need to measure mine because I already did that when I hit this nail here the first time I hung my curtain. But if it's your first time of hanging your curtain, then you probably need to measure it, you know, to know if you're supposed to take it up or take it down, or you know, take it out this way. So all that are left to you. I feel like my face is too close to the camera, so I'm just going to remove this strip here, okay? So this is what you want to do. You remove it, and then you just place this here. And make sure it's straight, okay? So I'm pressing it down, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second one, then you know, hang my curtain so you guys can see it. So guys, I have the two hooks up now. I'm going to go ahead and put the curtain. I'm about to take this down. You guys remember the plastic transparent stuff that was inside this hook? This is where it's useful. So to take this down, you want to first unhook this. So all you have to do is push it up. Can you guys see it? And the hook will come out without the plastic stuff. The plastic is here, that's what is remaining here, but this is your hook, okay? Now to remove this from the wall, all you have to do is you pull on the one on the wall, okay? This stuff, you just pull on it this way. You keep pulling, just pull down straight, okay? And keep pulling, and then it's going to come out. Can you guys see it? It's out. And there is no dent on the wall. I can zoom in so you guys can see it very well. There is no single dent on this wall. So that is how you take it out. I'm going to go ahead and put it back again so you guys can see, okay? So I already took out the strip I destroyed, like this one. I already took it out. So I still have one strip left here. So I'm going to get a new strip, put them together, press it down. Now I'm going to attach this plastic stuff to the hook. This is just a short clip of how I use the command strip to hang this wall art in my room. It's so fast and easy. It does not leave any stain or any scratches on your wall when you pull it down. I currently redecorated my room and I made a video of the room makeover and the haul, and that video will be coming up right after this one. So if you want to see that video, just stay tuned to this channel. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below right now. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments. Let me know if you're going to try using this command strip and the command hook to hang your curtains. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.